In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover and restore deleted Microsoft to-do lists and tasks. Microsoft To Do is built on Outlook tasks, which means your lists and tasks live in your mailbox. When something is deleted, it typically moves to the deleted items folder, and from there you can bring it back. I'll show you two built-in ways to restore. First, by moving items out of deleted items, and second, by using Outlook's Recover Deleted Items option. Start by opening Outlook either on the web in your browser or the Outlook desktop app. Make sure you're signed into the account where the item was deleted. In the folder pane on the left, go to your email folder list and select deleted items. If you don't see the folder list, expand the navigation bar so all mail folders are visible, then choose deleted items to display what was recently removed. Next, locate the deleted task or list. Depending on your view, tasks may appear as task items or as messages associated with tasks. Use the search box within the deleted items folder and enter part of the title to narrow things down. Sorting by date can also help if you remember when it was deleted. Once you found the exact item you want to bring back, you're ready to restore it. Right-click the item, choose Move, then select Other Folder and pick Tasks as the destination. This places the item back into your tasks, which syncs directly with Microsoft To Do. If you're using Outlook on the web, the Move command may appear on the toolbar or under the three-dot menu. Either way, send it to the Tasks folder, give it a moment, and the restored task or list should reappear in To Do under the appropriate place. If you don't see the item in Deleted Items, stay in Outlook with the Deleted Items folder selected. At the top, click Recover Items Deleted from this folder. This opens the Recoverable Items window, where Outlook keeps things that were hard deleted or emptied from deleted items for a limited time. Browse or search that list, select the items you want, and click Restore. They'll return to their original locations, typically your tasks, so they sync back into Microsoft To Do automatically. If you don't see what you need here, it may be beyond the retention period, so act as soon as you notice a deletion. That's all there is to it. With these two options, you can quickly recover deleted Microsoft To Do lists and tasks and keep your workflow on track. Thanks for watching.